Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next item to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is the wegear HS7 Bluetooth headset. It's a very comfortable headset, and it's got a lot of little neat features. Let me kind of show you what you get, go through all the little different buttons and ports on this thing, and then kind of give you a demo of what it sounds like. So first of all, you do get the headset itself. It's nice and comfortable. It's got padding across the top, which I like. It is adjustable, as you can see. They kind of stretch out, so you can make them bigger or smaller as you need. The earphones themselves are soft and padded. There's also padding on the inside as well. I want you to see here, they do swivel. In fact, they swivel so much you can kind of bend them flat like this, and you can kind of store them flat if you want to. So that's really nice, so you don't have to worry about them getting smashed in like a backpack. Like if you put them like that in a backpack, they might get smashed, but the fact that they swivel nice and smooth like that's fine. They do come with the box and they have like a little carrying tray. They don't have a case themselves, but the fact that they store, say, nice and flat is really, really nice. You also get a little USB-A to USB-C cord. This plugs into it to actually charge it up if you need to. I took them out of the box. They were charged and ready to go, so I've just been using them. I charged them for a short period just to make sure it works, but that's fine. You also get an audio cord, and the audio cord is a 1/8 inch jack to a 1/8 inch jack. The cord's not too long. There we go. It's probably, what, about 3 or 4 feet long. You can obviously buy another one of these if you want. This is nice, and I'll show you why in a moment. And last but not least, you do get a little instruction manual. It's in a bunch of different languages. It does go over the basics and explains what's on it. It's helpful to have, but it's not essential. Okay, so again, these are Bluetooth headsets. So there's a power button right here on the front. That's fine. You press it, the little light will come on. It'll say connecting, and it'll be connected. There is a volume button, so plus and minus right there. And then on the bottom here, right here, that's your 1/8 inch jack. Here's the deal. If you are working with something where you can't have Bluetooth or you can't have a wireless headset, you can use this. So you plug this in right here, and maybe you plug the other one into the end of your Xbox controller, and you're set. This is for gaming, and it works really well. Finally, you also have your little USB-C port here. That's for charging it up. You just plug it in there to charge it up. And then in the back here, there's a little teeny little hole. I'll talk about what that is in a moment. And then finally, you have a little bass button. That you press that button and you boost the bass. It's pretty good. It's not a tremendous bass. There is a difference, but when you press it, when you turn it on and turn it off, it does have a little voice that says bass turned on, bass turned off. A little bit annoying. I'd rather almost just kind of do a slight beep and just do it, but it does tell every single time you turn it on and off, it does tell you. Once you have it on, it doesn't say anything. It just has more bass. Now, let's get back to this little hole right here. You'll notice something. I talked about gaming with this. So here's how you set it up if you actually don't have Bluetooth on your game system. Here's my controller. There's my 1/8 inch jack. It's plugged in and it goes all the way into here. And so now I can go ahead and put this on. There we go. And now I can game. And you say, Tom, but how can you talk to friends if you don't have a microphone? Aha. I'm plugged in here, or if I use just Bluetooth, if I've connected to something else, that's fine because there is a microphone on this. You just don't see it. It's that little tiny little hole right down here, right next to the charging port. That is a microphone, and it works remarkably well. It's not a directional microphone that comes out in front of your mouth, and that's kind of good so that you don't have that spitting sound, that real loud voice coming right here. It sits over here. These are noise canceling, so as I put them on and I turn them on, I will block out some of the sound around me. But as I talk, the microphone, because it's right here, it's only a couple inches from my throat and my mouth, it will pick up all of my voice and it will kind of put it into the gaming system or video or whatever I'm doing, and it works really well. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it. I'm going to turn off my mic and I'm going to connect this and I'm going to talk to you. Okay, so I just turned it on, little light's on right now, and now I'm talking to you. When the minute I turned it on, a lot of the hum of my air conditioner or my heating unit actually went down a little bit. Again, it's noise canceling and it is over the ear, so it's not like the AirPods where they stick in your ear and they kind of get uncomfortable after a while. This is completely over the ear. It does block out a lot of extra sound. You should be hearing me just fine because I'm talking and the microphone here is picking it up. Again, I'm Bluetooth connected to my camera phone, and I'm just kind of talking. Bluetooth comes from here, microphone straight into the phone, and it's recording that sound. If I was playing sound, I would go ahead and hear that through here as well. I've made phone calls, I've made Zoom calls with this, and it's really pretty good. It works really, really great. Again, you can connect this to multiple devices. So I can have one connected to my phone, I can go upstairs in my office, and I can connect it to my PC, and I can do Zoom calls. So there you go. You have the best of both worlds. It's both cordless with Bluetooth, and the microphone just kind of built in, and it's corded. So if you don't have Bluetooth available, or you don't have that wireless connection that you want, you can go ahead and plug this into the 1/8 inch into the bottom of this, the other 1/8 inch into your controller or your PC, and there you go. You have a corded headset as well. It sounds really good. The bass is just minimal bass boost, and again, not a whole lot, but it sounds really good overall. It's perfect for gaming, for Zoom calls, for business stuff. I've been using it just listening to music. I just put my phone on and I go off and I clean the basement and I move around, and it's just been really, really good. These are comfortable, good sounding headphones. They just work really, really well, and they're highly recommended.